Welcome back Car Review the channel. Today we're looking at something that doesn't just redefine luxury travel, it completely rewrites the rulebook. What you're seeing in front of you is a futuristic, Lamborghini-inspired ultra-luxury motorhome concept, a machine that blends supercar attitude with first-class living on wheels. This is not just an RV. This is a rolling statement of power, prestige, and innovation, designed for those who want the road to feel as exclusive as a private jet. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior design. This motorhome looks aggressive, bold, and unapologetically futuristic. The sharp angles, armored body lines, and low, wide stance give it a presence more like a military stealth vehicle mixed with a hypercar. The matte black finish adds a serious, elite vibe, while the LED lighting strips wrap around the body, giving it a dramatic glow both day and night. The Lamborghini-style branding and design language instantly tell you this isn't about being subtle, it's about dominance. Up front, the nose is sharp and angular, with sculpted surfaces that look aerodynamic and powerful. The LED headlights are narrow and intense, giving the motorhome a supercar-like stare. The bumper design is bold and functional, hinting at advanced airflow management and heavy-duty protection. Even standing still, it looks fast, confident, and expensive. Moving along the side profile, the multi-axle wheel setup is impossible to miss. Massive wheels with deep, premium rims not only enhance stability but also add to the aggressive stance. This motorhome looks planted to the ground, built for long highway cruises across the USA, whether you're rolling through desert roads, mountain passes, or wide-open interstates. The elevated upper deck with panoramic windows suggests luxury living with unbeatable views, while the side steps and integrated lighting make entry smooth and stylish. At the rear, the design continues with sharp lines, clean surfaces, and subtle lighting details. Everything feels intentional, engineered for both aesthetics and performance. This is a vehicle designed to turn heads at luxury RV parks, private events, and exclusive destinations. Now let's step inside, because this is where the experience truly transforms. The interior feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Premium materials dominate the space: leather, brushed metal, soft touch panels, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. The layout is open, spacious, and intelligently designed to maximize comfort without compromising on style. The driver's cockpit is straight out of a supercar future. A digital steering wheel, advanced infotainment displays, and fully digital gauges put all controls at your fingertips. The seating is deeply contoured, offering both luxury and long-distance comfort. From here, you don't just drive, you command the road. Behind the cockpit, the living area opens up into a beautifully designed lounge. Plush seating, modern furniture, and panoramic windows create a relaxing environment perfect for cruising across states in style. Whether you're entertaining guests or just enjoying the view, this space feels premium in every detail. The kitchen area is fully equipped with high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and smart storage solutions. This isn't a basic RV kitchen. It's designed for serious comfort, allowing you to cook gourmet meals while traveling. Every surface feels refined, built for those who expect luxury no matter where they are. The bedroom area continues the theme of elite comfort. A spacious bed, soft lighting, premium finishes, and sound insulation make it feel like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. This is a place where you can truly relax after long drives, waking up to incredible views wherever you park. The bathroom is modern and minimalist, featuring high-quality fixtures, smart space usage, and a clean, upscale design. Everything here feels thoughtfully engineered, balancing luxury with practicality. Performance is just as impressive as the design. While this concept focuses on luxury, it's clearly built with serious power in mind. A high-performance engine setup, advanced suspension system, and cutting-edge driving assistance technologies would make long-distance travel smooth, stable, and effortless. On American highways, this motorhome would glide with confidence, offering a driving experience far beyond traditional RVs. Technology plays a major role here. Smart systems control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, all accessible through digital interfaces. This motorhome isn't just connected, it's intelligent, adapting to your lifestyle and travel needs. When it comes to pricing, a vehicle like this would sit firmly in the ultra-luxury category. This is not designed for the average buyer. It's built for elites, collectors, celebrities, and luxury travelers who want exclusivity and innovation. While an exact price would depend on final specifications, customization, and production, it's safe to say this would command a premium worthy of its design and presence. In the end, this Lamborghini-inspired motorhome represents the future of luxury travel in the USA. It's bold, futuristic, and unapologetically extravagant. It proves that motorhomes don't have to be boring or boxy, they can be aggressive, stylish, and thrilling. This is more than transportation. It's a lifestyle on wheels, built for those who refuse to compromise. If this is what the future of luxury motorhomes looks like, one thing is clear: the road has never been more exciting.